But we've seen a little bit of weakness coming through the ASX 200 today. Maybe caught a few people off guard because SPY futures weren't pointing to the kind of drop that we've gotten so far. But how are you seeing things currently on the charts when it comes to the local bourse?
Thanks for having me, Kyle. I think the weakness today, just to cover that point, is because of the anticipation ahead of the RBA. I think everyone's waiting to see whether the RBA goes 25 or 40, and then the market will probably adjust after that. As for how I'm seeing the chart, it doesn't look particularly great. It looks as though the ASX 200 is starting to roll over, as we can see there, the chart just going up on screen, starting to roll over after that bounce from the lows. Ultimately, though, the price action is hanging around that 7,200 swing point. And I spoke to you about this last time I was on the show. It's fairly directionless. It is a major swing point in the market, and like I've been saying, I think people are more bullish when we're above 72, and more bearish when we're below. It seems ridiculous that a price point like that can hold the market captive. But the point of putting this chart up on the screen today was to highlight the point that whilst the market has really not gone anywhere for the past year, that's a year's worth of data that we're looking at there. There have been opportunities beneath the surface at a sector level in particular. And as you can probably imagine, I'm about to talk to you about the sectors that I think have been doing well and are likely continue to do well. But the point being that whilst the market has essentially gone nowhere at an index level, there have certainly been places where you should have been playing and can continue to play, and places where you probably want to avoid as interest rates and inflation go higher.